So, is your Rock Band 4 microphone broken and not working? Let's see the easiest fix in the world if it's a case where the wires have detached from the microphone itself. So you're going to need a soldering iron, some flux solder, some electrical tape, or any kind of tape really, some stainless steel wool. You can use that to clean the soldering iron, and some flux. That's used again to help with the cleaning of the soldering iron, but it also helps with, if you put it onto the wires, it helps with the soldering process as well, with the oxide that happens on the layer on the top. So yeah, take it apart. In my case, the positive negative wires had been ripped apart, they've been disconnected. So put your black wire, your on the right hand side, and then the red wire, the positive, on the left, over both of those terminals that you saw there. And if you do that, you'll see the microphone pop up in your machine, or if you're using Windows. That's how you can diagnose it. Once you've done that, and you know that that's the right place, solder it on, as I've done here. I did record it, the process, but unfortunately it crashed because my phone ran out of space, so I haven't got it. So I can't show you the soldering process, but watch the video in the link description below. Solder those two bad boys together, and
get to listen to my terrible voice.
Job done, fixed.
So the microphone is working. Boom, boom, boom. All fixed. Sweet. I mean, sweet. Wonderful you.
I'm sorry. So sorry.
That'll do.
I do these videos about how to fix things whenever I make a repair, and I search YouTube and I can't find any examples of how to do it with a particular model that I'm looking at. So whenever I repair something and it's not on YouTube, I'm going to record a video and show how I did it, because I think right to repair is very important. Sustainability is something that I'm very interested in, and I really think every single product, every single thing we consume, food, clothing, cars, everything we should try and move towards building things in a sustainable way as much as possible to reduce CO2, reduce waste, reduce landfill waste and plastic being dumped. So and I think repairing your own products and the right to repair is a very important part of that. You know, my philosophy on this is pretty simple. It's just every time I spend money, I feel like I'm voting for how I want the world to be. So I try to get products that are that can be repaired wherever possible. I know it's not always possible. There are things that are just there's just no other options, unfortunately. Hopefully one day there will be. Yeah, I mean, there's some companies like Samsung, for example. I think I've had good experiences with them. They sell their parts. They're the parts that you need are very readily available. So yeah, I mean, I think we're still a very long way away from even 10 or 20% of all the planet's products being built with sustainable life cycles in place. But you know, I think we're starting to head in that direction at least. It's just very, very slow. Yeah, I mean, if you're watching this video, you want to repair things. I'm curious to know what you think. What are the good solutions out there? Let me know. I'd love to hear anyone's thoughts on it that has some feedback. Good companies, what are the good companies that have good practices? Yeah, let me know. Cheers.